And the next question is, my COR still reflects the annual registration fee. Do I need to replace it? So, the answer is still no. Kahit nakalagay pa yan doon, yung annual registration fee. If you will check yung COR nyo, malamang may nakalagay pa dyan doon sa inyong tax type na annual registration fee na yung due date is the last day of January. So, i-disregard nyo lang yan. No need to replace your COR. No need na pumunta sa inyong RDO so that you can update yung COR nyo. So, as is pa din yung COR nyo. It's still valid. That is per RR7-2024 and RMC 91-2024. So, that is clear. No need to replace your COR. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. Just a quick video. My name is Peter again. If may mga tanong kayo tungkol sa inyong taxes, accounting, or taxation, comment lang kayo down below and I'll do my best to answer your question. And I'll see you